Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today we are starting the day at a winery because we are having Friendsmasgiving in Napa County. And if you can't tell, the grapes are right behind me. Say, what are you doing over here? What are you doing? Are you gonna make wine?
No.
No? Why not? Yes or no? Well, okay, just don't take that many. What are you picking them for? What are you gonna make? Are you gonna make jam?
Jam.
You like that or wine?
Wine and jam.
Wine and jam. Okay, multi-purpose. I get it. I get it. So we've been here for a while now, and literally we just ate. We just haven't done our gift exchange yet, and we're literally eating and just taking Instagram photos. Oh, we are gonna be taking more pictures. All right, it's finally gift time. We're gonna have the kids go first.
Can you open this?
Who made it?
You sure Uncle Riley made this? No.
I didn't make any of yours.
Like Hosea too? Whoa, you guys have personalized. Can I see your bottle?
What's happening in
Look,
here?
Zayanna, whoa.
But we put hot
And
chocolate in.
Zalia, ooh, look at that. My bad, guys.
What about the parents?
So every year we have a Secret Santa, and this year we're trying to change it up. We have a theme. It's socks, and the girls want to make it fun, I guess, and having some sort of rock, paper, scissors competition to see who will go first to give out their gift, because, you know, I guess it can be simple and just hand somebody else their gift, but I'm not sure if I understand, so let's check it out.
Ready? Okay, go. Sham, go.
Oh, you lost.
There.
Rochambeau.
Alright, Jonathan.
Rochambeau. Rochambeau. Rochambeau.
Where do I go next? Alright. They haven't even gone yet.
Oh!
Okay, now it's husband against wife.
Of course. It ends up with just us two.
Wow.
Alright.
So why don't I get my socks?
Jonathan! Jonathan! Yay!
Ooh. So many socks.
Yeah! It's a 12 days of Christmas socks.
12 pairs. Oh, there you go.
Ooh, pineapple! Slippers! Slipper socks, okay.
Ooh.
Teacher! What's your superpower? What's your story? I'm a teacher.
Ah, thank you. Oh. Mickey Mouse.
Woo!
Hey, Disney song.
Yay! Oh, cute!
So we asked Alex what kind of wine he likes, and he said he doesn't drink wine. He goes straight for the Hennessy.
This is my 2015. This is an Mama Chardonnay new collection. But this really harkens back to a piece of history here in the Napa Valley back in 1838. So 1838 is like...
Zaya, why are you so mad?
I said no more coming here again tomorrow. No more coming here.
You know you're supposed to be nice to her. You need to show her that you're good. Because she tells Santa if you're good or bad. You think yelling at her is nice? There.
Zaya's first year with our elf Elena.
Guys, Elena is in our tree up here. And that little girl is just yelling at her. That's not nice, huh, Leah? Elena knows you're good. Y'all do an elf on the shelf? I don't think Zay gets it. Elena is watching you, Zaya.
Because you're a bad girl.
She told Santa at the mall she was bad.
Tiny.
Hi, girl.
Mommy, I need to see my. I need to see my face because
You're too close. You're too close.
so we have to do.
Say, I'm done crying now.
I'm crying now, but
Mom's doing my hair.
doing my hair.
Because we're going to San Francisco.
So,
They couldn't see your thumb. They couldn't see your thumb. Do it again.
bye, guys.
See you in San Francisco.
See you in San Francisco.
Toyotathon is on. What'd you just say?
Every time I see Toyotathon, like we used to commute to the city, and every time I would see that ad, I see Toyotathon, and I just see Thon, and I'm like, Jonathan, why is my name up there?
He acts like his name is Jonathan. It's not Jonathan. It's Jonathan. No, don't ever say your own name.
No, and obviously not.
Alright, so out of the dentist. Told me I need a floss. Y'all get a lot of updates on the vlog about our dental work because we go to the dentist pretty often, right? How often do you all floss? Because I'll be real, not very often for me. Anyway, we're about to go meet up with a friend for lunch. We're passing through Union Square. Oh, and they have a giant menorah because it's Hanukkah. Oh, my favorite. My favorite's playing. Distraction. Right here, guys. We decided to have lunch over in the Winter Walk here in Union Square. They got more things this year for sitting, which is nice. That's what Zay's playing on. We got a cute little photo booth maybe we'll go to. And we're getting the same thing we always eat whenever in the city. If it's not dim sum, it's Señor Sisig.
Alright, so we are gonna be calling it a vlog. We are now before, huh?
We're gonna call it a vlog?
Yeah, call it a day, call it a vlog. So we just finished eating. We had Senior Sisig. If you ever know the food truck, Senior Sisig, amazing. But we are actually here at Gongcha. It's my first time, and it's just don't mind the guy right there. But we are here basically getting some milk tea, some boba, before we head home. But we are gonna go ahead and call it a night, or call it a day, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Oh, say bye, say bye.
Bye.
What are you drinking? What kind of boba? Purple boba? Say taro.
Taro boba.
Taro boba. What color?
Purple with polka dots.
Purple with polka dots.